here's our first shot of almost the completion of this dash, and our selection for this is an 1175 Grant. That's the part number, in case anybody's wondering. Steering wheel. It's a great steering wheel. It goes right up to our GM column, and you can see that it has a nice billet adapter that goes as well. They make really two adapters, one that's a billet and one that's painted black, but we selected the billet aluminum, which looks awful sharp. And again, the wheel itself is a classic looking wheel. It's a 14-inch diameter, and it is sort of a mahogany trim. It has a rivet in it, or it is a piece of mahogany I should say. It's riveted with aluminum rivets. So overall it's just a really classic type wheel. And when I say we're almost done, we have a little bit more wiring to do right down here. You can see that we've wired it in with our big spade connector going to the column. We've also wired in down here the high-low switch for the headlight, which is located on the floor in a real classic sort of sense. Early model year Land Cruisers and a lot of early model vehicles have that on the floor. We've placed this one on the floor because there is no high-low switch in the column on this particular column. So needless to say, it looks sharp and really trims out the interior and finishes it up in that respect. So it looks awful nice in here now.